So it's a little bit more open.
Okay, so that wall is pushed back.
Yeah. And then the washer and dryer, it won't be in the garage because she won't have a garage. So when she walks in, it'll be all tile from, to the entryway. And it'll be a washer and dryer right here. So a full washer and dryer will be in the entryway. That's for the 2-bedroom.
Okay, so the $1,600 plan would be the exact same as this, and the $1,400 plan would
It's
just
on the 3rd
be
floor.
slightly pushed back because you aren't trying to make room for anything,
Exactly.
and washer and dryer over there.
Yes.
Gotcha.
But the kitchen and everything will be identical.
Okay, let's see here. So got screened lanai, it looks like.
Yes, every patio is a screen lanai.
So even first floor, it looks like 10-foot
Yes.
ceilings.
12 feet ceilings on the 3rd floor.
Okay. 12-foot ceilings.
Yes.
Wow. I don't even have 12-foot ceilings. We got fan in there.
No fans are in the bedroom.
No fans in the bedrooms.
They are capped off. So the wiring is there if she ever wanted to get one.
Okay. So this looks like the master.
Yes.
So you got 2 closets, his and her closets. Man, I'm really getting used to that bathtub. Sinks. Feels like faux. Not like you, Kara. It's more of a Matthew Picky thing. So. Plenty cabinet space. It's got a pantry. Yes, it does. Got a pantry. Dishwasher. Heavy on the lighting. In the kitchen area, it looks like. So all family room areas, it looks like would need lamps.
Light in the fan, yeah. But it goes off of case by case, because some apartments, the tenants may have already installed it. So some places may already have it.
Okay, so it's completely at the...
Right.
So secondary bedroom. Looks like you guys have a park also inside of the area.
And then the bathroom will actually be a bigger vanity inside of there.
So this thing will be bigger?
That will actually be a longer vanity.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I suppose don't need the, once again, garage comes into play.
Exactly.
Okay, I think that probably have enough video footage for her.